Hello everyone and welcome to another vacuum cleaner review. Today I'm going to take a look at the ILIFE A4 vacuum cleaner. It's a robot vacuum cleaner. What's different about the ones I have tested before that you can also find here or at the end of the video. This one has a powerful, more powerful motor. It will have more vacuum. It also has a main brush along with the side brushes, so it's a much thorough cleaner. Only thing this one does not have, it's the wet mopping function. This cannot carry a water tank with detergent on it, so it will not wet mop your floors. It's only going to gather dust. So as you can see, it comes with a pretty thick manual, and in the box you get standard accessories like a charger, docking, batteries, a remote control like on the V5 Pro model. And let's take the unit out. It's definitely also heavier than the other models. It comes with a brush for cleaning, spare side brushes and an additional filter. It does not come with microfiber cloth included because it cannot use it. Now moving on to the main unit, I'm going to take it out of the plastic bag. So it only has here a switch which is written on it auto. It has much larger wheels. It has some stoppers here to prevent the bumper to be damaged during transport. And now I'm going to show you the main difference. So this is its belly, and this is the X5 unit. And I'm also going to turn this around, and you can see much larger wheels on this model, so it can climb up on more thick carpets. And you get this brush here which rotates, and this is also where the vacuum is created, while on this model you only get this hole for vacuuming, and only the side brushes will bring dirt inside, and that's all the cleaning it does. So this will pick up hairs, so it's especially good if you also have a pet in the house. So that's the difference underneath. On this model you have these holes here where you can fix the mopping unit. This has some holes, but they are not meant for any kind of mopping. Right, so inside we should get a much larger container for dust, and this is the container. As you can see, it has double filtration. I'm gonna open it. So it has this fine screen mesh filter, which is plastic, and also it has here the replaceable filter, paper filter, and a much larger bin. Comparing with this model, which has a smaller dust bin, as you can see, definitely smaller, so it can also gather much more dirt before it fills up. Another design feature is the quick release of the main brush. It gets out very easily, so you can clean it after usage. So that's very nice. Here it has a bushing, and you have plenty access. It's all free for easy cleaning, and as you can take it out, it's the same procedure just to put it back. So yet again, very easy. You just replace the cap and that's it. Now I'm going to do a quick on the table test to see if the cliff sensors work, and to hear how much noise it makes. So it's now on, and I'm going to press auto. and as you can see it's not very noisy, and the cliff detection works very good. It's also a bit faster than the X5 or the V5. It definitely gets more speed when it's traveling, so that may be a good thing, as it will cover more surface more quickly. It also has a higher voltage battery and has a similar runtime with the other models, only that this has more suction force. So in theory this should also clean better. Another thing is that this can climb on higher rags or higher carpets, as I've told in the first part, and this is the actual difference. As you can see here, this can climb a lot, while the X5 can only lift that much. This will lift a lot more than that, so we can go over obstacles more easily. And now a quick test. So I'm going to power it on from this switch and put it to work. Now it's on carpet, it's under the table. No problem on the carpet. It said hi to the X5 unit. It's really fast on the hardwood floor. It's slowing down near obstacles. And let's see what it does with that plastic wedge. So it has pushed it aside, it has detected a wall and it's following it, slowing down. Let's see it going up the carpet. Absolutely no problem there, and as you can see it's pretty fast. So I'm going to power on the X5 also, and you can see both units in action. And now, last but not least, test to make it back home. So I have installed the charging station there. Vacuum is here, so I'm going to wake it up from the sleep and send it back home. And now it's in home mode. And it has detected the beacon. It has lined up and it's going for the charge. And the charging is now under progress. You can see by the flashing color of the auto LED. You can see now better. So it's charging successfully. So that was the quick test of the A4 unit. There are going to be some other tests and a comparison between the models I have previously shown you. So be sure to check for more videos that I will upload. Until next time, bye bye.